Mastering adjectives and adverbs, their roles in English grammar. Hello language enthusiasts! Welcome to another exciting episode where we unlock the magic of English grammar. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of adjectives and adverbs. These words play a crucial role in adding flavor and precision to our communication. Let's unravel their functions and learn how to use them effectively. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun. It provides more information about a person, place, thing, or idea. Consider the sentence, "The beautiful girl is wearing a blue dress." Here, beautiful and blue are adjectives describing the girl and the dress, respectively. Adjectives answer questions like, what kind, e.g., a tasty apple. How many, e.g., 3 cats. Which one, e.g., this book. Remember, adjectives make your sentences more descriptive and interesting. Let's move to adverbs now. An adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. In other words, they describe how, when, where, how often, or to what degree something is done. Consider the sentence, he runs quickly. Quickly. Here is an adverb modifying the verb, runs. Adverbs can answer questions like, how, e.g., she speaks softly. When, e.g., he will arrive tomorrow. Where, e.g., the dog is outside. To what extent, e.g., she is extremely happy. The use of adjectives and adverbs can transform your language. They add specificity and detail to your expressions, making your communication more vibrant and engaging. Think about these 2 sentences. 1. She sings. 2. She sings beautifully. The second sentence, with the adverb beautifully, provides a more vivid image, doesn't it? And that's a wrap on our exploration of adjectives and adverbs. Remember, these powerful tools can elevate your communication by adding depth and detail. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for our next exciting journey into English grammar. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.